Hi team, today we are going to see about how to create a matrix item in HQ Apparel. So for that we have to go to MDM, Item Master Management, Item Master. So to create a new item, we have to press this add item key which is available at top left. After pressing that, a new tab will be opened for item creations. Actually, as you all know that field with the stars or as a mandatory field to create an item. So let's start with item creation. One shirt, let us give a name as one shirt. You have to give a short name also, as well as the manufacturer name and supplier name. For manufacturer and supplier name, by pressing spacebar, the existing records will be shown here. To create a new records for supplier and manufacturer name, we have given a key called new, which is available nearby. So by pressing that, a new tab will be opened. So there you can create a manufacturer and supplier. After saving that, here the list will be shown. You have to map it here. So then the main thing what we have to do is we have to choose a product type as a matrix for creating a matrix item. So default it will be standard. To choose it as a matrix, you have to press this down arrow key. So then the list of product types will be shown here. So here we have to choose matrix. Then coming to category department, all available categories will be shown here. For creating a one matrix item, only one category is mandatory. Other than that, all other categories are optional. For matrix categories, we can choose more subcategories for a single category. For example, I am choosing 4 subcategories for a department category. So for that, I have to press this select multi-value option. So another one new tab will be opened. In this list value, I have to just give spacebar to see the existing records. So I'm just choosing accessories, and more than one you have to select means you have to just press more key. Then another tab will be opened. Then you have to press spacebar to choose another one. So same steps will be repeated. You can choose whatever categories you needed. If you want to delete one thing means you have to just press this arrow key, then it will delete it. So now it is a 4 categories available. In these 4 categories you have to create you have to choose one category as a default category. To choosing default category is a mandatory steps for all the categories which you are saving. So to choose as a default category, just tick this box. So then it will be mapped as a default category, then give save. So you can see that all the 4 categories have been mapped for department, as the same steps you have to follow for other categories too. So just I will show for a size and color also. So select multi-value and give spacebar. Existing records will be shown. Give more, give spacebar. Okay, then you have to choose the default and give save. So if you want to create a new size means which is not available in the existing record means, for that, see that here I want to create X, L, M, that type of size category means you have to just give new key which is available for each category. By pressing that, it will be redirected to the category masters. Here you can fill the value and save. Here I am giving S and M and L. So you have to just close this, go to select multi-value and give more and give spacebar. So or otherwise just type S. So here you can find it. So yes, more M. So M are stored. All the things which you are created in category master will be shown here. So just save it, and the same thing will be mapped here. So you can see that size contains 4 types of subcategories. So same like color also you can do. So other categories are I am skipping. You can follow the same categories if you need for other categories too. So other than that, we have to map HSN code. So based on HSN code, the tags will be auto mapped, and other things are optionals. Other things are common. You can see that these options in all types of products are standard, serialized. I hope you are aware of this options. So let I go to outlet specific. So here you can choose outlet specific also, or otherwise if it will have to reflect in all outlets means you have to choose all option. So then it will be reflected in all outlet. So then you have to give add and update and save. So then the woman item shirts item has been successfully created. After created, you have to give send outlet. After giving send outlet only, it will be reflected in outlet. Otherwise, it won't reflect in outlet level. Okay, team. This is the process involved in creating a matrix item. Thank you.